City of Homestead, How-To Video Series. Hello and welcome to the City of Homestead video tutorial series. In this video, we will go over how to cancel and reschedule previously requested work inspections using the city's Enterprise Permitting and Licensing Portal, also referred to as EPL Build. This tutorial covers the following topics: how to access the My Work tool in the EPL Build portal, how to retrieve scheduled inspections, and the steps to cancel and reschedule inspections. The first step is to access the EPL Build portal at www.homesteadfl.gov/EPL Build. Please note that this link can be found in the description section of this video, or feel free to pause this video to write it down. Upon entering the web address in your browser, the system loads the EPL Build homepage, as shown here. Click the Login or Register link on the top right corner and log into the system. Once you are logged in, click the My Work menu located on the top navigation bar highlighted in the displayed screenshot. Please note that for the rest of this tutorial, the screenshots that will be presented will have a partial view of the portal pages to provide better readability. Okay, let's continue. Having opened the My Work tool, you need to locate the permit containing the inspections that need to be canceled or rescheduled. To do this, click the My Permits tab highlighted in this screenshot. The system reloads the page and displays the list of permits stored in your account. Once you locate the desired permit, open it by clicking the permit number in the highlighted column. The system opens the Permit Details page. To view the requested inspections, click the highlighted button. In this example, the permit has 2 requested inspections. Each one of them has a button to initiate the cancellation. Upon clicking the button, the system displays a pop-up window asking you to confirm the cancellation request. By clicking Yes, the system cancels the inspection and displays the successful cancellation message, as shown here. Click the OK button in the pop-up window to close the message. The system redisplays the inspection summary page and has moved the canceled request to the Request Inspections section. This changes the previously cancelled inspection to a pending status, thereby becoming eligible to be rescheduled. This concludes the tutorial on how to cancel and reschedule work inspections on an issued permit. Hopefully this video has provided guidance on how to accomplish this task and an introduction to the EPL Build portal's functionality. However, if you need further assistance, please feel free to contact us as follows. For general questions, send an email to epermits@homesteadfl.gov. For technical questions, send an email to epermits-techsupport@homesteadfl.gov. Thank you.